Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name the Record JKB. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use your keyboard to scratch like a controller. In my previous videos, I taught about how to use the keyboard to scratch like a controller. But this script is different and it is much easier to use. So let me show you what exactly I'm going to teach you. After that, we'll go to our settings and I'll show you the script. And I'll teach you how to use the keys. So this scratch you can use it in any battle that or any competition. So without wasting my time, let's go. So this is how the keys works. So let's go to our settings. So this is the scratch we are using. It is a DNA scratch. And we will need two keys that will be crossfaders. One will be cutting off deck A and one will be cutting off deck B. So this is the one we use to cut off deck B. And also the one we use to cut off deck A. So this is the script you need. And I'll leave a copy of the script in the description down below. So this is how the key work. And this is our crossfader. The one we use to cut off deck B. And also the one we use to cut off deck A. Because our sampler is in deck B, we are going to use this one to cut off deck B. Okay. So before you proceed or you start scratching, you need to play the sampler like this. You need to play the sampler. After you play the sampler, you press on the key. You press on the key. You press and hold on the key and click on the crossfader. So like this. I hope you guys have seen it. So it is the crossfader which does all the work. So you need to be fast on the crossfader. Okay, so you play the sampler or the song or the vocal and press on the key and give some amount of click on the crossfader. So like this. So when you click on the key, you need to hold it. You need to hold it and give the clicks on the crossfader. So like this. You see. So this is how it works. So let's add our instrumental. So please, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a like, and if you are new here, Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I posted a new video or uploaded a new video, you'll be notified.